Well, it's now several minutes past midnight. Isn't anyone coming? Sergeant Sarah, something is very wrong.
Maybe your watch is fast.
General, I know what's wrong. I'm wrong. I've spoken to these people day after day, and my words haven't pierced them.
Welcome, brothers. Welcome.
Welcome, please.
Welcome.
Sit down, please sit down.
Welcome, brothers.
Sergeant Sarah,
Welcome.
please sit down, please.
Welcome. Oh, make room for the sinners.
Is everybody here? Where's Nathan Detroit?
Present.
Miss Sarah, here you are, a dozen or more assorted sinners. Sorry we didn't have time to clean them up.
Won't you gentlemen sit down?
Sit down, all of you!
I'd like to welcome all you gentlemen to the Save a Soul mission.
Just a minute, you guys. This is a mission, not Roseland. I suggest you do not indulge yourselves in any unpleasantness. Since I am required to depart to points west tonight, I'm appointing Nathan Detroit Major Domo in my place. Nathan, if anyone does not conduct himself according to Hoyle, he will answer to Sky Masterson personally. And that means in person.
What a remarkable man.
So remember that, you guys.
Yeah.
Remember that. Brother Abernathy, your dice.
Gentlemen, we are honored tonight. The meeting will be conducted by the head of our organization, General Cartwright.
It is wonderful to see our mission graced by the presence of so many evil-looking sinners. Now, who would like to testify? Oh, who would like to get the ball rolling and give testimony?
Betty, give testimony. I ain't no stool pigeon. No. Penny.
Oh, come on. Let one of you give testimony to the sin that is in your heart.
Betty, tell them what about you are. I'm not the woman. Betty.
I used to be a bad guy and a gambler, but I ain't gonna do that no more. Thank you.
You feel better?
I'm all right.
Anybody else?
Big Julie.
Well, I used to be bad when I was a kid. But since then I've gone straight, as I can prove by my record. 33 arrests and no convictions.
Well, like
when Sky was rolling us for our souls,
I beg your pardon?
Sky Matheson rolled us $1,000 for our souls. That's why we're here.
I don't think I understand.
I do, General. It means the only reason they're here is because Mr. Masterson won them in a dice game.
How wonderful! This entire meeting, the result of gambling. It shows how good can come from evil. Oh, Sergeant Sarah, you have done remarkable work.
Hasn't she though?
I haven't finished giving my testimony. My sense is that when Sky rolled us, I wished I was in $1,000 instead of having to be here. But now that I am here, I still wish it.
Anybody else?
Yeah?
We will now hear testimony from Brother Nicely Johnson.
Come on,
Brother Nicely Johnson.
Well, it happened to me kind of funny, like a dream. That's it, a dream.
Tell us in your own words.
I dreamed last night I got on the boat to heaven, and by some chance I had brought my dice along, and there I stood, and I hollered, someone feed me, but the passengers, they knew right from wrong, for the people all said, sit down, you rock the boat. People all said, sit down, you rock the boat. And the devil looked around you wonder, buy your shop, tell on your check and coat. Sit down, you rock the boat. I sailed away on that little boat to heaven, and by some chance found a bottle in my face, and there I stood, nicely passing out the whiskey, but the passengers were bound to resist, for the people all said beware, you're on it, people all said beware, beware you'll scuttle the ship, and the devil will drive you under, there's a time now, get caught, sit down, you rock the boat. And as I laughed at those passengers to heaven, a great big wave came and washed me overboard. And as I sank, and I hollered, someone save me, that's the moment I woke up, thank the Lord. And I said to myself, sit down, you rock the boat. Said to myself, sit down, you rock the boat. That devil will drag you under, make it so heavy you never float. Sit down, you rock the boat. 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 Sit down, you're rocking the boat. Sit down, you're rocking, sit down, you're rocking the boat. Sit down, you're rocking, sit down, you're rocking the boat. Sit down, you're rocking, sit down, you're rocking the boat. Sit down, you're rocking, sit down, you're rocking the boat. Sit down, you're rocking the boat.
Anything we can do for you, Brother Brannigan? Would you care to testify?
I'll do my testifying in court, where I will testify that you ran a card game here in this mission last night. Sister Sarah, you were standing there
I never saw them before in my life.
There's a right fraud!
This officer, we want to continue our meeting.
I've never seen crapshooters spend so much time in the mission. That must be what they mean by holy rollers. Thank you, Miss Sarah. People, I also have a confession to make. And I gotta get it off my chest. We did shoot crap here last night. And we're all sorry, ain't we, boys?
I'm really sorry.
Shut up, you oaf. But I did another terrible thing. I made a bet with a certain guy that do not take a certain dollar away with him on a trip. And this I should not have done. Although it did not do any harm, as I won the bet.
You won the bet?
Sure, the guy told me he didn't take the dog. Wow, that makes me feel a lot better.
Hallelujah!
Hallelujah!
Ladies and gentlemen, we will now sing number 244, Follow the Fold.